I'm coming to CC Tuning to get my car remapped. This is the house of tuning for me. I've always come here, they sponsor my channel. But honestly, I'm pulling up and what do I see in front of me? I want to show you this. This is the home of tuning, CC Tuning, Burton on Trent. And look what our dear Chris has got here. He's got an X3M. I think we'll have to put it up against his X3M. What do you guys think? Let me know. If you're new to this channel, I'm doing loads of car content on a weekly basis. I will be putting up stuff on a weekly basis, so do subscribe and keep watching. It's the first time I've seen this car moving in the skin. It sounds loud, that does. That or that. Chris is trying to do the launch on this. I tried to launch and I couldn't launch it. Basically, we're getting this done on a stage 1 today. I want to see what Chris can pull out of it. I have been on forums and I've spoken to different people and they said that really you get 405 horsepower, 500 Nm of torque. So it should be quite punchy. That's where we're at. Got the Maxton front lip on it now and the Maxton side skirts. It actually sets it off really well. We've got the big fan here, we've got a little one there. That's a new addition that I've seen. So first we're going to collaborate the car and do a standard run to see what the dyno does as usual. I'll give you the figures and then we'll do it after and we'll give you the figures. Right, I've come through here because it's going to get noisy out there. So I want to show you guys the calibrated run from here. The fans are gone on. Basically, he's done one run on it and it's healthy 368 horsepower. The standard is 360, so we're a little bit above. Hopefully we can push past 400. If not, 360 is supposed to go to 400. It'd be nice if it's about 410. We'll see where we get with it. Chris, how are we doing? Nice to see you again, mate. We've got this social distancing going on, but I'm saying like, what we're doing now, we've got the ECU at the car, haven't we?
Yes, we're going to take a full backup.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's the one.
It's a big chunky thing, that, isn't it? So, yeah, so we're getting a backup done. What did we run on it today, so far on the standard?
368.
Which is a little bit more than the...
A little bit more, but it's not uncommon to run a little bit more on these.
On the BMWs, you're on about?
BMW, yeah, it's a good engine, so let's see what we can get.
What do you think we're going to get?
You know, I'd like to see another 40 horsepower after
Okay.
this. Yeah, so you know, you'd like to see around about 400 horsepower.
What's your X3M saying outside that tasty bit of kit, mate?
507 standard. So, yeah.
What is that? Is that you've touched it a little bit?
Yeah, just I'm only getting a small tweak up to now, just playing with it.
What is it?
It's 550 at the moment.
Okay, so are we gonna have a face off? Right, the magician's done it once again. Chris, tell me what we got, mate.
Right, we've got it's got 368 horsepower and slightly more than factory, but we're not worried about that. We're looking at delta gains. We're just running it again 424.
Wow, I'm happy with that. I mean, we initially expected a 40 horsepower gain, but here we're looking at almost 60 horsepower. 56 horsepower.
Yeah, surprising. It is good.
So now,
strong engine.
You X4, X6Ms and all the Ms better watch out, because Lion AR's coming for you. I'm happy with that, mate. Say freak 'em, Chris.
Freak 'em.
Yeah, there's a little overflow. A little overflow. The overflow. Wow. Well, I've been CC tuning today. You've seen the graph, you've seen the power output, literally gone 56 horsepower and I've gained 65 torque, which is about, well, 100 Nm torque. So the car figures now are at 424 horsepower from a standard 360. Well, it's 368 on mine, and it's gone up to 610 Nm of torque. And I'm telling you now, honestly, the thing was already quick and now it's just a beast. Oh, just every time it just clicks. The gear changes are more swift. I think it's had the gearbox done at the same time, and it just feels like a total different car. It actually feels quicker than the X3M. So literally, I'm very, very happy. CC Tuning, Chris, you impressed me one more time. Highly recommended. Freak 'em.